Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Garden House. Today, I will tell you about 5 low-maintenance plants. These plants stay green all year with almost zero care. Perfect for beginners. Let's get started. The spider plant is impossible to kill. It grows in any light and cleans your home's air. It makes free baby plants that you can repot. Stays green all year with almost zero care. Perfect for beginners. That's why it's a must-have. The snake plant is the toughest plant you can own. It survives in low light and needs water only once a month. NASA says it cleans air toxins and releases oxygen at night. Its tall leaves look stylish in any corner of your home. Forget it for weeks. It still stays green all year. The aloe vera plant is a miracle for your home. It needs bright light and water only when the soil is dry. The gel inside its leaves heals burns and makes skin glow. It cleans your home's air and removes toxins naturally. One plant gives you free medicine all year long. The rubber plant has big, glossy leaves that look amazing indoors. It grows in bright light and needs water only once a week. It cleans your home's air and removes harmful toxins naturally. Very low maintenance and stays green all year with little care. Perfect plant to make your home look stylish without any effort. And now for the last plant I am showing you today. This plant is the money plant, and it comes in many beautiful varieties like green, golden marble queen, and neon. It grows easily in water or soil and needs very little care. Keep it in bright, indirect light for best growth, but it also survives in low light corners. Water only when the top soil feels dry because overwatering can damage the roots. This plant cleans your home's air, brings positive energy, and its trailing vines look stunning in any bottle or hanging pot, with almost zero maintenance. It stays green and fresh all year long. So, friends, if you like my video, please like, share, and comment below. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more easy plant tips. *, we will meet again in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching.